Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for another unboxing of a brand new Matchbox. We have the ground grabber from On a Mission MBX Construction. This killer piece of machinery. And the copyright says 2013, so I'm going to assume this is a 2014. Here's a little checklist of some of the other vehicles you can get. And an explanation what the construction is. You can read that. This is number 108 of 120. Excited to get this into my Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. But I'm really curious if you can actually use the moving parts. It's got a plow on the back too. Nice. Things do move. The black with the yellow trim there, that is metal. That's plastic. That's plastic, and all that yellow in there is plastic also. Let's see. Get a look at the bottom there. It is made in Thailand. Yellow on yellow, so a little hard to see. This does a complete 360. Does not move right there. So you can't really scoop dirt. It only goes up and down like that, and then this spins around. So not sure how much fun I will have with it. But I can't do a demo either because you can't scoop it up. Let's see if it rolls on the track. Oh, don't fit. Nope, it's too fat. Ooh. It's leaning on it. It's riding the rail is what it's doing. Oop. Let's see, keep it that way and then turn that. Ooh. Well, it's a Hot Wheels track and a Matchbox tractor. And all the metal is the black. The black right there that this all moves around on. All in all, I knew I was going to keep it anyway because I love keeping construction pieces for my construction site. Thank you to everybody that tuned in and checked it out. And as always, please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again.